Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba on Trust Wallet. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Buying Shiba on Trust Wallet is easy. Tap open your Trust Wallet application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, from the main home page of Trust Wallet, which looks like this, in order to buy Shiba Inu Coin, you must have some Ethereum. So tap the Ethereum token from the tokens list and make sure that you have some Ethereum on your Trust Wallet. Tap on the Buy Ethereum button if you don't have it yet, and now enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to purchase in the text box. Select the best rate from the third-party provider list and tap the next button at the bottom. Once you have some Ethereum purchased on your Trust Wallet, now you can easily buy some Shiba Inu. From the main homepage of Trust Wallet, tap on the dApps browser located at the bottom. Now, open up your Uniswap interface option. If you don't find it in the history like mine, you can scroll down and find it in the popular tab. Once you give it a tap, you'll be taken to this app.uniswap.org page. Make sure that you're inside the swap tab. Now, right where you can see select a token, give it a tap and select Shiba from the list. Once you find it, tap it on, and soon after you do that, enter the amount of Ethereum in the first text box you'd like to spend in order to purchase Shiba. Once you enter the amount of Shiba you will receive will be displayed on the next tab, as you can see it on the display. If you have sufficient Ethereum balance, then you'll be able to see a swap tab right where you can see insufficient Ethereum balance on my screen right here. It is showing me that because I don't have Ethereum balance yet. Finally, tap on the swap option, follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be able to buy Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If you found it to be, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.